After extensively researching dozens of the best beard trimmers, we purchased and tested 9 of today's top models in a series of objective side-by-side tests involving real-world use on thick beards and overgrown head hair. Our product selection covers a range of prices and versatility, with some models aimed at the professional, while others are more suited to the home or travel bag. Our test results identified some clear winners for budget and personal grooming needs. There are many products available to choose the best beard trimmers for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best beard trimmers for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best Overall Beard Trimmer. Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 is a versatile all-in-one trimmer. It includes 5 attachments and 14 guards to achieve any desired style and length of beard trimming or full body grooming. Changing trimmer heads between the wide, normal, precision, nose and ear, or foil shaver is effortless and requires gentle pressure to release and replace. Unlike most other models we've tested, the 7000 does not require oiling, making it one of the most maintenance-free models available. Exceptional all-around performance, a high-quality stainless steel body, a comfortable grip, and the satisfying heft of a high-quality tool, combined with an absurd 5+ hour battery life, make this model stand out in a market saturated with some excellent trimmer options. While this is a great trimmer, it's not without some shortcomings. You are out of luck if you like to shave in the shower. Fortunately, it is washable, meaning you can rinse it off and easily clean attachments. Whether trying to achieve a stubble look, freshen up an old haircut, groom your entire body, or achieve the sharpest lines, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 has got you covered. If your top priority is cutting power and you want something a little heftier, check out the Buck-Wahl Cordless Magic Clip. Number 2. Best Bang for the Buck-Wahl Lithium-Ion All-in-One Grooming Kit. The Buck-Wahl Lithium-Ion All-in-One Grooming Kit is a solid beard trimmer with the strength to handle larger tasks and the size and versatility to handle precision work. It includes 10 trimmer guards, a precision trimmer head, a double foil shaver, a standard trimmer head, and a wide trimmer head to offer enough versatility for nearly any grooming task. The largest standard width trimmer guard is also adjustable, offering even more versatility. Our testers generally liked the feel of the rubberized body of the trimmer as it made it easy to grip. However, the textured rubber is a magnet for hair and dust, making it a pain to clean as the model is not waterproof. Don't rinse it. The adjustable trimmer guard could be better as it felt like it would break in our hands as we adjusted the small clunky lever. As a dedicated beard trimmer, it's hard to beat this model, especially at this price. While other models were serious contenders that offered similar versatility at a comparable price, they could not compete with the strength of the cutting heads, the power, or the battery life of the Buck-Wahl Lithium-Ion All-in-One. If you are okay with sacrificing performance and are looking for an even less expensive model, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000 still performed pretty well across most metrics for half the price. Number 3. A premium trimmer for serious grooming. Buck-Wahl Cordless Magic Clip. The Buck-Wahl Cordless Magic Clip is a real workhorse geared toward those who do serious beard trimming and hair cutting. With professionals in mind, Buck-Wahl designed the Magic Clip to last and built it like a tank in the style of its corded clippers. While it is weighty and larger than most trimmers, this model preserves an ergonomic design that is easy and comfortable to grip. While it is a rechargeable option, it has the familiar cutting power of Buck-Wahl's corded models and operates for nearly 2.5 hours on a full charge. The downtime to recharge the battery is only an hour, but it can also run while powered by the charging cable, so you'll never be unable to finish grooming. While this model is exceptional for more serious clipping and hair removal tasks, it does not have any interchangeable heads for smaller precision work, it does not include a foil shaver, and it does not have a nose and ear hair trimming attachment, so using the Buck-Wahl Cordless Magic Clip for small details may be a bit challenging. Yet, drawbacks aside, this trimmer gets big jobs done easily and is best suited for those who want to skip out on going to the barbershop in favor of at-home hair maintenance. Number 4. Best for use in the shower. Braun 9-in-1 Trimmer. For those who prefer to do their beard trimming and full body grooming in the shower, the Braun 9-in-1 Trimmer is your best option. 4 blade guards, including a number 1 and number 2 and 2 others with adjustable heights, are both easy to use and versatile. Unlike adjustable models from other brands, Braun's adjustable height system doesn't add bulkiness. This trimmer also comes with a nose and ear trimmer, precision trimmer head, and an innovative shaving attachment that trims and shaves, with 2 trimmer blades running the length of a large foil shaver. For those who are completely obsessed with baby smooth skin after shaving, Braun has also included a razor with 2 disposable blade heads. Overall, our testers liked the Braun 9-in-1 trimmer, but felt a few things could be better. Blade guard adjustments are a difficult feature to integrate. While Braun did a good job, the locking engagement of the blade guard height generally felt a little insecure and should have a stronger, more tactile engagement of the height setting. The ergonomics of the trimmer are also strange, and bigger hands may dislike the heavy taper of the body, but it's a minor criticism. Overall, this is an excellent product and a great choice for those who prefer shaving in the shower and want a highly versatile face, head, and full body grooming solution. Number 5. Best beard trimmer for sensitive skin. Philips Norelco S9000 Prestige. If you want a super close shave but tend to find that razors irritate your skin, style consultant Sam Carter stands behind this pick. It's supposed to be the electric razor which goes closest to the skin, so it's fantastic for achieving a wet shave look without the hassle of using an actual razor blade on your face, he says. You get a tidy, stubble-free look with minimal fuss. And the razor comes with a wireless charging pad, so you won't have to mess around with wires. Experience the world's closest electric shave and uncompromised skin comfort with Philips Norelco S9000 Prestige. Nanotech precision blades are strengthened with nanoparticles and have extra strong and long-lasting sharp edges to cut hair with the highest precision for the closest results. Our excellent skin comfort system enables you to effortlessly get a highly efficient shave, even on a longer, up to 7-day, beard. Its new wider, rounder openings catch more hair per pass, resulting in a difference you can feel. The Beard Adapt sensor checks hair density 15 times per second and automatically adapts the shaver to your hair. Choose between 3 modes to customize your shave. 1. Sensitive for a gentle, thorough shave. 2. Normal for a thorough, everyday shave. 3. Fast for a quick shave that saves you time. Get a convenient dry shave or a more refreshing wet shave with gel or foam even in the shower. Finish your look with the skin-friendly click-on precision trimmer. It is ideal for maintaining your mustache and trimming your sideburns. The premium travel case protects the shaver as well as its accessories. Its thoughtful design matches the timeless elegance of the shaver. Shave longer with every charge thanks to a powerful and long-lasting lithium-ion battery. You'll have up to 60 minutes of shaving time, that's about 21 shaves on a 1-hour charge. This shaver only operates in cordless mode. For best shaving performance, replace your shaving heads every 12 months. Use SH98 80 seconds or SH91 50 seconds replacement heads, sold separately. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.